So, I'll be going around a medical university and asking medical students some easy medical questions.
Which organ produces bile? Yes.
Easy in the beginning, of course. But as the difficulty of the question increase,
Are the questions this tough? I'm leaving.
the prize money also increases. Yes, there's a prize money. It's your hard-earned money. So let's get started.
Hello. What is your name?
Fatima.
Gauri Shankar. Shiv. Nikhil.
Yashaswini.
Zaifa Sheikh.
Tanuja. Saida. Enfa. Smile. Shihana. Hadil.
Faisal.
And which year are you in?
Third year.
First year.
First year.
Fifth year. Third year.
Fourth year.
Fourth year.
Second year. Third year. Sixth. Fifth year.
Okay, fifth year guys. So maybe they will go to that $5 question. Let's see. So I'll be asking you 3 questions. If you get all 3 right, you'll get $1. These are like really simple questions. The first question is, what is the name of the protein that carries oxygen in the blood? Hemoglobin.
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 Yes, you're right. We are like इतना easy, इतना simple. पैसे दे दो पूरा. The second question is, which organ produces bile?
Liver.
Liver.
Liver. Liver.
Correct.
Gallbladder. No, liver. Liver produces and gallbladder concentrate the bile.
The third question, which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? Tell me the name and the number. Will she be able to guess the answer? Comment in the comment section.
Optic. Second.
Optic nerve. Cranial number 2.
Optic nerve. Cranial nerve 2.
Two. Optic nerve and 2.
Cranial nerve 2 and optic nerve.
Optic nerve, that is cranial nerve 2.
2. Good. पैसे दो मुझे. Okay, $1. ले लो. The third question. What is the name of the part of the eye that dilates when you see someone you find attractive?
Pupil.
Look at me. Yeah, dilating, yes.
Treat me like white teeth.
You won this $1. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, you won this. You have won $1. You guys take this.
Are we really getting the money? Yeah. Oh wow.
Now, you have the choice to risk this hard-earned money for $3. Yeah. Great. Okay.
Yes, sure.
Risk? Okay, good. I like the confidence.
I'll take this and go.
Okay. She doesn't want to risk it. Good. Smart choice. So the first question for $3 is, the nerve supply of larynx above the level of vocal cord is by?
Laryngeal.
Laryngeal, yeah. Which one?
Laryngeal nerve.
Yes, but it's above the level of vocal cord.
Superior laryngeal nerve.
Yes. Good.
It's a superior laryngeal nerve, branch of vagus nerve.
Superior laryngeal nerve. Good, great.
Superior laryngeal nerve.
Yes, good.
Superior laryngeal.
Yes, good.
Superior laryngeal.
Yes, correct.
Are the questions this tough? I'm leaving.
The second question. A 23-year male had acute appendicitis 3 days ago and presented to the surgery department with abdominal pain and tenderness. Which of the following incisions would be appropriate for this? I'll show you a picture.
कौन सा चूज कर like एक चूज कर
You have to choose one. Which incision? You have to tell me the number.
Should be here.
You're right.
Should be taking
Five. Sure. 5 or 3?
third one.
Sure. Fifth one or third?
fifth one
Sure.
और third one is also okay.
Can be 3 or 5.
Okay, choose one. 3. Sure.
Third one is
Third one.
The third one.
Third. Sure.
Yeah, let's go for third.
Okay.
Third one.
You're right. Good. Yeah, that's right. Really? You're right. Yes, you're right.
5.
5. Sure.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Sure. Block.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Unfortunately, that's wrong.
It's okay.
Wrong.
It's 3.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Okay, now, third question. It's from second year. It's from microbiology. The culture media that is used to differentiate lactose ferments and non-lactose ferments is which culture media?
I quit.
Culture media.
I don't know this one. I think you should give options.
Can we get options?
Option? I'll give you a hint. It's something related to McDonald's, like the burger. It's related to McDonald's.
I don't know, for some reason I'm writing McDonald's.
Yeah, this is really tough because third year, right? You must have forgotten.
And micro.
Yeah, microbiology. Who reads micro?
McConkey agar.
McConkey.
Yeah,
McConkey?
McConkey agar.
Yes, you're right. Okay, give me the money. Take this. Congratulations, you got 3. Come on. Take it.
Take that in the video, okay?
Yes, we'll put this in. Take this. Now.
So I have $4.
Yeah, you have $4. You got 3 more dollars. Thank you so much. Now you have the chance to risk it for $5.
Yeah.
Final $5 it will go.
Take it.
You'll take it? We'll take it. Alright? Sure? Yeah. Done.
I don't think we can.
Yeah, no need.
I don't think because the second level itself, it was hard.
It was.
Yeah, it was hard.
Yeah.
Okay. Then.
One day we are preparing and coming.
Yeah,
back.
one day you're letting us know before you do this.
Okay. Now you have the choice.
I'm not doing it. My heart's palpitating.
Okay, you're going to live with this.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay. But do you want to attempt the question?
Okay, I'll attempt.
Okay, then. Anyway, just tell me the questions. Okay. You want to attempt, right?
Yeah, we'll just attempt.
Okay. The first question for $5 is which drug is given to prevent HIV transmission from mother to child? Right.
Maybe.
Nevi is right.
Yeah, I know something from maybe.
Prevent?
HIV transmission.
From mother to child.
Yes, you're.
Yeah, I know the day. Can you give the option? I can easily.
Can I get the option?
Options?
Okay, options. A. Nevirapine. Option B. Metformin. Option C. Atenolol. Option D. Warfarin. Warfarin?
Either A
Warfarin.
or C.
If you would have answered warfarin, you would have lost all the money. No, you would have lost it again. Huh? Yes, that would have been the correct answer.
A.
Eh?
Yes. Nevirapine. Yes.
Never fine.
Good. Yes, you're right.
I
You got this one right.
kind of was feeling like this question I knew. Nevirapine. Option A.
Option A, sure.
Yeah.
We got it right. She's speaking. Now I don't have answers here, okay?
Okay.
Not highlighted in green especially. Okay. Next question is a 34-year-old male was maize as a staple diet for prolonged period. He was presented with diarrhea and lesions over his neck as shown in the image below. I'll show you the image. The condition occurs due to the deficiency of... This is the image.
Okay.
You don't have options for this. Deficiency of...
B12.
It's B.
B12. No. B7.
No.
B6.
B7 is biotin. No.
Niacin.
What I mean, B7?
Niacin is B3.
Sorry, B3.
I'll go with niacin.
Niacin.
B3. Vitamin B.
Vitamin B what? B3? Yes. What? B3 or B5?
3.
3? Sure.
Yeah.
You're right.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's right. Good.
Very good, very good.
B3. Yes, B3.
B3.
Yes, B3. Now, the final question for $5. The mass given below works on which of the following principles?
Okay. What are the principles?
Option A, Bohr's effect. B, Boyle's principle. C, Bernoulli's principle. D, Mapleton's circuit.
Is it Bernoulli?
Bernoulli.
So, sure?
Not Bernoulli's principle.
No, I think Maples.
Maples?
Or
So, choose. Choose.
See, Bohr effect is like.
Bohr is for light, I guess.
No, not like oxygen.
Oxygen.
So I'm taking up by blood cells.
Okay.
See, Bohr is like if you give oxygen, they will take up oxygen. Like right shift and Hayden effect and Bohr effect. Maples is for anesthesia, but the circuit is not looking like this. They have another one hose. So that is also different. And the rest too, Boyle's
Bernoulli's and Boyle's principle.
yeah.
Two options can you get?
50-50 or phone a friend.
Do you want me to, give you like that option KBC में जो होता है 50-50?
Okay.
Okay, I'll just remove two options. What do you think two options are?
Mapleton's
Mapleton's
and Bohr effect.
circuit.
And Boyle's?
Bohr effect.
Bohr effect. Okay, those are out.
Those are wrong.
Those are
Yeah,
out.
those
Those are out.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now you have Boyle's
Boyle's.
principle and
Bernoulli's
Bernoulli's.
principle.
There is when velocity when there is a small space, the velocity goes much faster and it's something like that. But
That is Bernoulli.
yeah, that's Bernoulli.
Take Boyle's.
Sure?
I'm not sure, but
Risk
We're
it?
taking risk, yeah.
So Boyle's and Bernoulli's, you have choice.
Bernoulli's.
Bernoulli's?
Bohr.
Bohr?
Bernoulli's. Because
Choose,
fluid
choose.
is
Do stone, paper, scissor. Come on. Stone, paper, scissor.
No, Bernoulli's only. Again, one more.
So it's Bohr.
So, it's Bohr?
Bohr's effect.
So the final answer is Boyle's principle.
that's what you said, no?
And you guys are wrong. She won. It's Bernoulli's. Wrong.
No?
It's Bernoulli's. Oh my god, you guys did really good.
पैसा वापस कर.
थोड़ा कृष्णा भाई हमारे कंफ्यूज हो गए थे नहीं तो फिर हम
कोई नहीं. You won in stone paper, she won in the answer.
Yeah, I know, right? But first she said the answer.
Yeah.
She said the answer first. No, she was like,
This might not be the
This
answer.
might be the answer, but then it.
See? Sure? Final answer?
Yes.
I think Bernoulli's.
Yes, you're right. You would have won this. Okay, but you chose not to. So
Yeah.
I'll keep that
I'm
money in my
happy. My
pocket.
medical journey is going well though.
Yes.
That's amazing.
You won? So these are the first people who won this game. So
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you so much. Okay.
You're cutting it.
Yeah.
Editing this.
I'm editing everything. Faizan editor, Faizan cut this part. Or keep it in the bloopers. What is the name of the part of the eye which dilates when you see someone you find attractive?
Pupil.
Pupil.
Yes.
I can see all of your eyes dilating.
Yeah.
Which part of the human body is part of so many love songs?
Heart.
Yeah, good.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll